Hello, and welcome to this tour of Les Jardins de Métis, also known as the Reford Gardens, located in the charming village of Grand-Métis, Quebec. Nestled on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River, halfway between Rimouski and Matane, this botanical treasure is a haven for plant lovers, history enthusiasts, and anyone looking to immerse themselves in natural beauty. Les Jardins de Métis has a rich and fascinating history. The gardens were founded by Elsie Reford between 1926 and 1958. Elsie, an avid gardener and plant collector, transformed her summer estate into a horticultural wonderland. Today, her legacy lives on, making these gardens one of the most renowned in North America. Spanning over 45 acres, the gardens feature more than 3,000 species and varieties of plants. The design seamlessly blends the natural landscape with carefully planned flower beds, ponds, and pathways, offering visitors a unique experience in every corner. Let's take a closer look at some of the garden's most notable features. First, there's the Blue Poppy Glade, home to the Himalayan blue poppy. This rare and striking flower blooms in late June, creating a breathtaking sea of blue. Next, we have the Long Walk, a pathway lined with a stunning array of perennials and annuals. The plantings change with the seasons, providing a dynamic display year-round. The Stream Garden is another highlight. Here, a meandering stream is surrounded by lush vegetation, creating a peaceful and serene atmosphere. In the Woodland Gardens, you'll find a variety of ferns, hostas, and other shade-loving plants. These shaded areas offer a cool escape during the warmer months. Finally, Estevan Lodge, once Elsie Reford's summer residence, now serves as a museum and gallery. It offers insight into the history of the gardens and hosts temporary exhibitions, adding a cultural dimension to your visit. Each season brings its own charm to Les Jardins de Métis. In spring, the gardens awaken with early blooms and fresh foliage. Summer is a riot of color and fragrance, with peak bloom periods for many signature plants. Autumn transforms the gardens into a stunning palette of fall colors, creating a picturesque landscape. The gardens also host a variety of events throughout the year. The International Garden Festival showcases innovative and contemporary garden designs from around the world. There are also workshops, guided tours, and educational programs for gardening enthusiasts of all ages. Les Jardins de Métis offers a comprehensive visitor experience. Enjoy a meal at the cafe, browse the gift shop for souvenirs, or relax in the picnic areas. The gardens are designed to be accessible, with well-maintained paths and facilities for all visitors. In conclusion, Les Jardins de Métis is a botanical gem on the south shore of the St. Lawrence River. Its rich history, diverse plant collections, and stunning landscapes make it a must-visit destination. Whether you're a nature lover, a horticulturist, or just seeking a tranquil escape, these gardens offer something truly special. Thank you for joining us on this tour, and we hope you enjoy your visit to Les Jardins de Métis. Please keep watching this video for more details. Thank you.
That belongs to Elsie Reford, the garden creator. So we have 3 exhibitions in the Estevan Lodge. The first one here, we have watercolors and drawings made by an artist Dawson Harrington, a Montrealer who lived in the second part of the 19th century. So you have all of their work here. On the second floor is the story of Elsie Reford. Donc, we want the visitors to better know her because she's not just a gardener. And the first door on the left, the bathrooms are in the same direction. After here, we have some curiosities, some objects that belong to the Reford family, and some souvenirs they bring back from a trip in Egypt.